Ready to unlock all the personalized financial insights Credit Karma has to offer by securely connecting your credit card. First, launch the Credit Karma app on your phone and tap the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now scroll down until you see linked accounts and select linked accounts. On the new screen you will select link account to start the process. Now use the search bar to type in your credit card company's name. Credit Karma will automatically display a list of possible options as you type. Select your company from the list. You'll be prompted to enter the same username and password you used to log in directly to your credit card company's website. This allows Credit Karma to securely access your transaction data. Depending on your card issuer, you may need to complete a security verification step. This usually involves receiving a code via text message or email and entering it on the screen. Once the verification is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your credit card account has been successfully linked. Credit Karma will then start analyzing your transactions to provide personalized insights and recommendations.